Want to scan multiple pages with your HP printer and save them as one PDF file? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step, fast and easy. First, you need to download HP Scan Extended. I give you description link.
First, place your page face down on the scanner glass. Make sure the top of the page is aligned with the corner of the scanner bed. Now, go to your computer and open the HP Scan app. You can find it by clicking the Start menu or by double-clicking the HP printer icon on your desktop. Click on Scan to scan the first page. Wait for it to finish. To scan more pages, lift the scanner lid, place the next page face down, and click the plus or Add Page button in the preview window. Repeat this for all your pages. Once all pages are scanned, click Save. Choose PDF as the file format and select the location on your computer. And that's it. All your pages are now saved in one single PDF file. Easy, right? If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.